Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Asana on your Mac. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps you organize your tasks, manage teams, and stay productive. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Now, in the address bar, type asana.com/download and press enter. This will take you directly to the official Asana download page. Once the page loads, look for the Download for Mac button and click on it. The download will start automatically. Now, just wait a few moments for the file to finish downloading. When it's done, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Asana DMG file. A new window will appear showing the Asana app icon and the Applications folder. Simply drag the Asana icon into the Applications folder to install it. After that, you can close the window and move the installer to the bin to keep things clean. Now, open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click on Asana to launch the app. If you see a security pop-up, just click Open. Once the app opens, sign in with your Asana account, or create one for free if you don't have one yet. And that's it. Asana is now installed on your Mac and ready to use. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.